Their Arctic home is increasingly vulnerable to a changing climate, and this year there has been even less ice than normal. If future melts are as extreme as this one, bears like these may starve or drown, lost at sea. This is one of the last pieces of ice now adrift in the open ocean. The polar bear's icy world has melted away. This season, for the first time ever recorded, even the winter ice is thinner. The ice here is too thin to climb out on, and he struggles to free himself.
Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years.
From the past and to the world, all of us have a lot of change. This is a photograph of land in the past, and here's a picture. Each picture can be seen that gives back for the reduction in number, because the human element of gather think a lot of construction, the tower housing, instead of the forest. To the greenhouse effect is caused by global warming makes temperature of the world. It will also be the temperature in the city buildings and outer places higher. Scientists use it to describe this amount of light reflected back from a surface and give it a value between 0 and 1. How much light is reflected back from a surface? That depends on the surface material. Very dark surface, such as new spots on the road, reflect little and absorb more of the light, so they appear dark. Very bright surface, such as sea ice or snow, reflect a lot of light, so they appear bright. So, we apply to paint the house or use an acoustic product and building to increase the ability to reflect the heat in the home. Therefore, it is an alternative way to solve such problems.
And this is the product of Well, the color used for home and building. It uses the ability to reflect light albedo to reduce heat build-up inside the building. Will result in a drop in temperature inside the building, making appliances do not work hard. Can reduce electricity bill by using electricity. There are also other advantages, such as fast drying, waterproof. 5 liters is available 34 square meters.